Ever feel like your paycheck vanishes the second it hits your account? If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on its own. No plan equals no control. But there's a way to take charge of your finances. Budgeting isn't about being broke. It's about being intentional. Every dollar needs an assignment before you spend it. Picture this. It's payday, and you're dividing your paycheck into 4 simple, vital categories: bills, food, savings, and spending. This is where the magic begins. Before your next payday, write down exactly where your money will go. Bills first, then savings. Finally, tackle everything else. Imagine an envelope system or digital folders. Each holds a specific purpose, marked with green check marks next to each category. Plan first, spend second. You're not bad with money. You just never had a plan. Day 1 starts today. You can stand tall, watch those intimidating bills shrink, and see your savings jar grow. Take control. Make your finances work for you, not the other way around. Control your money. Take the first step today.